Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Swamini Suresh Hulawre, second year computer department student from Zeal Polytechnic. The title of this project is Write Down Test Cases on Banking Application. Today I done my PBL activity of software engineering project with my team members Saili Mudirajan, Dhanasvi Mahadik. This project is done under the guidance of Sheetal ma'am and Shinde sir. The agenda of this project is what is domain testing, why domain knowledge matters, introduction to banking domain, characteristics of a banking application, stages of testing banking applications, sample test case for net banking login application. Banking domain testing. Banking domain testing is a software testing process of a banking application for functionality, performance and security. The main purpose of testing banking application is to ensure that all the activities and functionalities of a banking software run smoothly with no errors and it remains protected. The BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance sector is the biggest consumer of IT services. Banking applications directly deal with confidential financial data. What is domain testing? Domain in testing is nothing but the industry for which the software testing project is created. When we talk about software projects or development, this term is often referred to, for example, insurance domain, banking domain, retail domain, telecom domain, etc. Write test cases for banking application. Test case is the smallest unit of the testing plan, which includes a description of necessary actions and parameters to achieve and verify the expected behavior for a particular functions or the part of tested software.
Further, we are going to learn why domain's knowledge matters. First, it reduces the training time. Second, it helps in quick defect tracking. Third, it gives good idea on UI features and back-end processing. Fourth, it gives good hold over workflow, business process and rule. And last, it helps to understand easily the technical terminologies. Banking domain's knowledge. Introduction. Banking domain's concepts are huge. And basically, it is categorized into two sectors. First is traditional banking sector. Second, service-based banking sectors. Below is a table of the services these two sub-sectors of banking encompass. Traditional banking sectors. It includes core banking, corporate banking and retail banking. And service-based banking sectors include core, corporate, retail, loan, trade finance, private banking, customer finance, Islamic banking, customer delivery channels or front-end delivery. Characteristics of banking applications are: before you begin testing, it's important to note the standards features expected of any banking application. It should support thousands of concurrent user sessions. It should integrate with other numerous applications like trading accounts, bill pay utility, credit cards, etc. It should process fast and secure transactions. It should include massive storage system. To troubleshoot customer issues, it should have high auditing capability. And last, to need to support user on multiple platforms like Mac, Linux, Unix, Windows. Test phases in testing banking applications are requirement analysis, requirement review, business requirement documentation, database testing, integration testing, functional testing, security testing, usability testing, and last user acceptance testing. So further, my team member Dhanasri will continue. Thank you.
My name is Dhanasri Madi. Here the topic is bank application testing. Functionality testing. All modulars are working as accepted, both as an independent element and after integrating all separate modulars. Established testing. Most of the time who are using banking applications that are not proficient PC users. So for them, the form should be clear and have a user-friendly interface. Performance testing. As this is developed for the users, so the performance of the application should be faster and the app should be working correctly on various platforms. Security testing. As by using banking application, people are going to use for money transfer, so it is one of the high priority tasks for the organization to develop the app in such a way that it meets standard guideline of security. Sample test case for net banking login application. Sample test cases for admin. Verify admin login with valid and invalid data. Verify admin login without data. Verify all admin home links. Verify admin change password with valid and invalid data. Verify admin change password without data. Verify admin change password with existing data. Verify admin logout. Next, for new branch, create a new branch with valid and invalid data. Create a new branch without data. Create a new branch with existing branch data. Verify reset and cancel option. Update branch with valid and invalid data. Update branch without data. Update branch with existing branch data. Verify cancel option. Verify branch deletion with valid and invalid dependency. Verify branch search option. Next, for new users, create a new users with valid and invalid data. Create a new user without data. Create a new user with existing branch data. Verify cancel and reset option. Update user with valid and invalid data. Update user with existing data. Verify cancel option. Verify deletion of the user. Next, from customer and visitor, verify all customer or verify all visitor or customer links. Verify customers login with valid and invalid data. Verify customers login without data. Verify bankers login without data. Verify bankers login with valid or invalid data. Banking domain is the most variable area for cyber theft and safeguarding the software recovery precise testing. This tutorial gives a clear idea of what it takes for banking domain testing and how important it is. One must understand that majority of banking software are developed on mainframe and unique. Testing helps to lessen possible glitches encountered during software development. Good practice help develop good result, reputation and more business for companies. Both manual and automated testing have respective merits and usability. Reference www.guru99.com, www.softwaretestinghelp.com, www.softwaretesting.com. Books: The Art of Software Testing, 3rd edition by Glenford J. Mars. Thank you for watching this video.